How to start print on demand on Redbubble. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about the easiest ways where you can start print on demand on Redbubble and basically create really good revenue. So, to actually do print on demand on your Redbubble, it's really simple. It's not as difficult as people say because, the integration process on Redbubble does lead you to a lot of issues, but we're going to do this in the easiest, most simplest way. So first of all, you're going to create an account on Redbubble. So you're going to click on sell your art over here and you're going to click on start selling. It takes you to the whole sign up page. So obviously you can sign up as a customer, but we're going to sign up as an artist because we want to, sell print on demand products over here. So I'm going to choose a username, add in a password, add in your email, all the necessary onboarding things. Once you do that, click on sign up and you're good to go basically. So this makes you join the Redbubble studio. And now it says, hey, welcome to Redbubble. First of all, you're going to create some products, you're going to set up your shop, and then you're going to start getting paid. So, first of all, I would recommend setting up your shop to stand out, and then you can start adding your products. I'm going straight into adding my designs, but you can go ahead and set up your shop with this. So, to connect a print on demand service with Redbubble, you're going to write Redbubble print on demand, and it's obviously going to give you all the different variations that you can connect on Redbubble. Now, there's different print handlers. So there's Printful, and you can see if Printful works with Redbubble. Okay. And then you can also see if Printify works with your Redbubble. All these different processes do work with your Redbubble, and you can create a Printify shop, you can create a Redbubble shop, and integrations are all the way over there. So it's really simple to do all of this. So to start things off and to set up an actual, you could say shop for print on demand, what you're going to do is you're going to basically go ahead and create a print on demand store. So to create a print on demand store, you're going to choose the provider. I'm going to go with Printful, okay? Because I already have an account on Printful, but you can also choose Printify. Both are pretty incredible to create a shop on. And once you come to one of these, like let's say I'm on Printful, right? So I'm gonna go to my Printful account, and once I go to my Printful account, it says custom print on demand products and drop shipping, and you are gonna make sure that you have the whole account set up and everything. You're gonna set up your billing, connect your store. Now, when it comes to connecting your store, let me show you how you're gonna do that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to your stores over here on the left hand side, and once you go over to your stores, you are gonna click on choose platform to create a new store. Okay, so once you click on choose new platform, you're gonna find the Redbubble platform over here. Now, in the case that it does not provide a direct link, because it gives you Etsy, Shopify, Webflow, Amazon, it gives you all of these, but it doesn't give you a proper Redbubble platform. So to get a proper Redbubble platform, you can simply click on manual order platform. So what this will do, you're going to create a manual order store or connect using API. So use this method if you want to use e-commerce platform that currently doesn't integrate with Printful. If you sell products in person and want to place orders for your customer manually, and you want to connect a custom website to Printful using API. So you're simply going to click on connect, and once you click on continue, basically it creates a store that you can correlate and link things on. So I'm going to click on view store over here because we're basically going to be syncing this to our actual, Redbubble. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to add in a product for yourself, because to start selling, we're going to need a product. So we're going to load up a product over here. And once you load up a product, you're going to choose the product line. So you have quite a lot of product lines over here, product variations and product categories. So let's say I'm going to go with sweatshirts, these crew neck sweatshirts that I want to work with. I'm going to go ahead and open those up. And once you open those up, then you get a whole design. So you can design your front, your back, your outside label, your right sleeve, your left sleeve. So you can design all of this. I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm just going to design my front right now. Now, to design your front, basically it's going to ask you to upload a file. Okay, you also have a lot of sample files that you can upload into your design. I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm going to go ahead with the your basic file library. And once we go into my file library, basically what's going to happen from here is you can add your very own design. Now, I already have my design added, but you can upload a new file over here. I'm going to keep it on my design, and I'm going to click on apply. And once you click on apply, what's going to happen over here is it's going to upload the actual design into your widget. Now, once your design is uploaded, what's going to happen from there is you're going to click on continue. And once you click on continue, it's going to take you to the actual mockups. So in the mockup section, you can either create a custom mockup by personalizing it. I'm going to choose the mockup that it customly gives me. So these are the mockups that it gives you on custom. And this is how these mockups look. I'm going to go with this mockup over here. This looks pretty nice. So once you go with this mockup, you're simply going to click on continue. And once you do that, you're going to choose the name of your sweatshirt. Once you do that, you're going to verify the pricings. And if the pricings are good to go, simply click on save product. And that will basically start adding this to your store. Now, while it adds it to your store, how are you going to actually add the API for your store to this? So to add the API, basically, we're simply going to go over to stores again. And once you go over to your stores again, you're going to go in your main store sync section. Once you go into the sync section, you can see that it's added the store over here. And the way you can, actually add it into your Redbubble is basically you're going to come over to your Redbubble dashboard over here. And you're going to go into your integrations. Now you can go into your integrations through account settings, or you can go into your integrations through the main integrations panel by searching integration. So we're going to write Redbubble integration. And once you write that, what's going to happen is it's going to give you different listings to add the API and listings on. So obviously right now it doesn't necessarily list things to different integrations. So to add a proper print-on-demand product, once you've created this product over here, simply what you're going to do is you're going to click on edit. You're going to take all the variant and printful item informations from here. And once you've taken your information from your printful, because obviously you have the product on you, okay? You have all the product, you have all the variants. And what you're going to do is you're going to slowly start adding all the necessary details from there to your actual Redbubble. And once you add it to your Redbubble, what's going to happen from there is, you're going to start getting orders on your Redbubble. Now, once you get orders on your Redbubble, from there, you're going to be set to go because you've set it up your shop, you've set it up your products. Like, let's say I have the image for my product, I'm going to add it here. You're going to add all the necessary details with description. And once you do all of that, you can do product previews on what type of clothing it is, what type of working it is in. So yeah, that's the basic idea of how you're going to do a print-on-demand service on Redbubble in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Now, if you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you people in the next video. Goodbye.